Monthly Market Report for July 2024. Market movements. In July, initially, the VN Index rallied by 3.1% thanks to positive economic data. However, the figure fell by 4.8% mid-month due to profit-taking, arrest, leadership changes, and global market declines. The figure closed the month at 1,251.5 points, which was up 0.5% month-on-month and up 10.8% year-to-date. The trading turnover hit 6-month lows, and net foreign outflows continued for 6 consecutive months, totaled at $2.4 billion year-to-date, reflecting broader regional trends. However, the July's performance of the VN Index still outperformed regional markets. Sector performance. In July, the sector performance varied. Sectors leading gains included energy and financials. Meanwhile, industrials and materials trailed behind. The July's performance of the energy sector recorded positive momentum with a 7.2% month-on-month increase, thanks to the new draft decree on petroleum business, which improved the market sentiment regardless of the decline in global oil prices. In the financial sector, in July, despite the overall rise by 3.9% month-on-month, there were some mixed movements. Specifically, while banking stocks increased by 4.9% month-on-month, brokers and insurance decreased by 4.6% month-on-month and 4.1% month-on-month, respectively. On the other hand, this month, the materials sector faced significant challenges due to weak hard rolled coin prices, indicating shrinking profit margin, which resulted in a 3.4% month-on-month decrease. Similarly, the industrial sector experienced a decrease by 6.1% month-on-month due to the heavy impact of the sharp corrections in aviation stocks. Macro review. In July, the Consumer Price Index or CPI increased by 0.48% month-on-month and 4.36% year-on-year. The average year-to-date CPI stands at 1.89%. In terms of trade balance, in July, export amounted to $35.92 billion. Meanwhile, imports reached $33.8 billion, resulting in a trade surplus of $2.12 billion. The cumulative trade surplus since the beginning of the year stands at $14.08 billion. However, this figure is a 14.6% year-on-year decline. Notably, the trade volume hit an all-time high for a single month. For foreign direct investments, or FDI, in July, this figure recorded a total amount of $2.82 billion, increasing by 0.3% year-on-year. Cumulatively, since the beginning of the year, the FDI amounted to $18 billion. Newly registered capital amounted to $1.23 billion. Meanwhile, capital increase in existing enterprises amounted to $1.02 billion. Mergers and acquisitions total $0.57 billion, bringing the year-to-date total for mergers and acquisitions to $2.27 billion. Actual disbursed FDI was $1.71 billion, with a year-to-date total of $12.55 billion. Market view. Corporate's earnings are on track, further highlighting the recovery of the domestic economy. The recent Federal Open Market Committee meeting hinted at a potential rate cut in September that could boost market sentiment. However, weaker than expected U.S. economic data released on the 1st of August has raised concerns about the possible recession, which might affect the market negatively. Additionally, a 7.5% increase in Japanese yen against the US dollar has negatively impacted carry traders, leading to margin calls and forced sales of assets. This situation has led to adjustments in global stock markets, emerging market currencies, Bitcoin, and even gold. Despite these challenges, the downside potential seems limited. Although there are some certainties surrounding new leadership, the policy direction is anticipated to stay consistent with a continued emphasis on economic development. That concluded our July market report. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insights from Kim Vietnam.